Trump China presser, social media exec order and EURUSD. Trump to hold China press conference, S&P 500 reverses 1% gain. Social media executive order signed, $TWTR and $FB shares drop. Euro breakout, EURUSD above 1.10 and 200 SMA. Markets. There are a few nerves before the question and answer session called by President Trump to report the U.S. reaction to the Hong Kong issue. European offers have opened with a gentler tone on Friday. Asian markets slipped, with the Hang Seng again the loafer. The S&P SPY 500 turned around a 1% gain yesterday to end marginally lower, snapping a three-day series of wins. The euro was a champion gainer on rising trust in the EU bailout finance. However, somewhere else safe house monetary standards like the yen were liked. The cost of gold pushed up to $1,720 per ounce while oil turned lower after U.S. stock information gave U.S. request stays feeble. Trump HK presser. The sense in business sectors is that Trump won't descend too intensely on China over Hong Kong. Significant U.S. stock midpoints are on course for a just shy of 3% week-by-week gains, exhibiting little proof of worry about the more extensive issue of U.S.-China pressures. We figure it would be a huge stunt to business sectors were Trump to report whatever took a chance with the Stage 1 economic alliance. Disavowing Hong Kong's special status with the U.S. appears to be far-fetched. It wouldn't help the individuals of Hong Kong and would be a self-caused wound since it would simply confine U.S. organization access to China. Social media. Legitimate specialists are calling the request toothless, yet saying it could prompt other greater changes in the law not far off. Internet-based life shares fell in front of the marking, yet it wouldn't be astounding to see some astute plunge purchasing now the news has passed. The discussion over deplatforming will probably not stop here. Until further notice, the large web-based life organizations have a lot of piece of the pie to discourage moderates from taking an interest in spite of worries of being hushed, which means incomes are left unimpacted. That could change after some time if the online networking organizations don't get the equalization right. Exchanging opportunities go along with one of the pristine LCG buying arrangement covering everything from the beer business to fintech offers to breakout exchanging. Euro breakout. The euro was a champion victor in FX markets. There's a common thought that France, Germany and the European Commission can handle a trade-off on the recovery fund between the pigs and the frugals. The recently discovered quality in the euro comes in front of the following week's Exec meeting, where desires are working for development of the PEP. Obviously more cash printing downgrades some money, yet FX brokers are remunerating European national financiers for attempting to turn away a greater emergency. Opening calls and 500 to open 9 focuses lower at 3,020. Dow Jones to open 91 focuses lower at 25,309. The euro is making a conclusive breakout above twin obstruction of the 1.10 round number and the multi-day moving normal, proposing the start of another bullish period.